In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort numbers, text, or dates in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a personal finance tracker or organizing data for a business presentation, knowing how to effectively sort data can simplify your workflow and make information much more accessible. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, you can easily create a new sheet from your Google Drive. Imagine you have a list of data across various columns, and you want to make sense of it by organizing it appropriately. Let's start with sorting data in column B. Click directly on the header of column B. This action selects the entire column, indicating that we'll be working with the data within it. Now look towards the top menu bar and click on Data. This brings up a drop-down menu with a variety of options for customizing how your data is arranged. From this menu, choose Sort Range. Once you've done that, you'll notice an option called Advanced Range Sorting Options. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to perform a more detailed sorting operation. If your data includes headers, be sure to check the box that says Data has Header Row. This step ensures that your header remains fixed, and only the data beneath it is sorted, preventing any mix-up with the column headers. Next, choose Z to A if you want to sort in descending order. This choice often applies when dealing with numerical data or when you want the latest dated entries at the top. After selecting this option, click Sort to arrange your data accordingly. Once you've sorted column B, you may want to perform similar actions for other columns, like column C. The process is similar. Click on column C, then Data, followed by Sort Range. Again, select Advanced Range Sorting Options, and remember to indicate if your data range has header rows. This time, let's switch it up and sort from A to Z, which arranges your data in ascending order. After making your selection, finalize by clicking on Sort. Now, move on to column A, following the same steps. Click on column A, navigate to Data, and select Sort Range. Choose Advanced Range Sorting Options to ensure precision in your sorting. If your dataset contains headers, don't forget to select Data has Header Row. This time, depending on your preference, you might sort from Z to A. Finally, hit Sort, and voila! You've now effectively organized your data, making it easier to interpret and utilize. Sorting data in Google Sheets is a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their data management tasks. It makes finding trends and patterns in your data much easier, allowing you to focus on analysis and decision-making. With practice, you'll be a Google Sheets sorting pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy data sorting.